in the woods.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Family Life Outdoors. We got some really exciting videos planned for you guys. We're headed up to Ole Bull State Park in Potter County, aka God's Country. We're going to be doing some fishing on some Class A trout streams on the Kettle Creek watershed. Those of you who aren't familiar with the Kettle Creek watershed, it's one of the highest quality watersheds in Pennsylvania. So hopefully we can catch some awesome wild brown trout and some native brookies. We're probably going to be doing some hiking, and we're also going to check out Cherry Springs State Park if the weather permits. If you're not familiar with Cherry Springs State Park, it's one of the darkest places on the East Coast at night. So stay tuned, guys. We got an awesome trip planned.
Ole Bull State Park.
What's up, guys? So we made it to camp. We got two really nice campsites. We're on the grass, which is new for this year. Usually we're on stones and sticks. And we got trails right at the back of our campsite that go back to Kettle Creek.
Where are the bathrooms? That's my question. So here's a little walkthrough of the campsite. We unpacked that whole trailer, the clamshell, and our friends are here with their vehicle as well. But we have our tent, which I've seen a lot of people online say about having issues with this tent. So this is the Ozark Trail, and you just have to get the slope right with the front, and it works with the rain. But I've heard a lot of people having issues with that. And in the back here, it has this nice little bump out room, which we use for the dogs. We have the 8-person modified dome tent, which is the kids' domain. They usually make it quite a disaster in here, but let's see how it looks. So, looks pretty good. We have 3 in this one this time, and they have the moving blankets on the floor for their extra comfort and insulation. And they have most of their gear off to the side. Nice and cozy in there. We have our volleyball net set up to have all kinds of games. The 3 canopies. Picnic table on each side, and then the camp kitchen in the center here. These are our friends' tents who are with us as well. And then in the middle here, if you can't tell, it's raining right now, and it usually rains every trip, so we bring a gear tent. So in here, and this folds really small for travel, which is nice. And if I can get in here, we stash a lot of our gear so that we don't have to worry about it being out in the rain. We keep extra fire logs in here that we don't have to worry about having no firewood. So lots of good things. And here's just a little tip. In the blue bag there, we have every single case, bag, tent enclosure, stake holders, everything is back there in one convenient spot, so that way we don't have to search for everything when it's time to pack up, because no one likes to pack up Sozos. We have solar lights strapped up to the canopies and some battery powered ones. And this is a really cool campsite.